Good day, this is part 1. We are here in Gali to repair the package aircon. Maker Daikin, and there is lots of problem about this. We have new compressor arrived. Then this is the condition. It's too rusty, too dirty, and we need to clean that one so that we can check the condition. If whether we change the plates, brackets, then we need to clean also the evaporator. The main problem of this one is low insulation, and we need to change the compressor. It's because grounded. The main problem is grounded and high pressure discharge. That is the next problem. Also cannot cool down properly and cannot reach the set point. First, I will show you what is the main problem. We will turn off and observe if the fan is stopping. Confirm the fan is stopped. The main control is at the galley, but the unit is below near the reefer. Okay, check the fan, and fan is running. Then turn to cool mode so that the compressor will run. And then this is the alarm coming up in our AMS. There is a low insulation 440, means this compressor is low insulation, has low insulation or grounded. That's why we need to change this compressor. 440 low insulation. Our ducting also is full of rust and leakage. We need to clean the AC first before we change the compressor. By the way, we need to clean thoroughly so that avoid clogging to our drain pipes. Also, we have separate videos about checking how to check the compressors, motors, if that is grounded. Check the separate videos about fluke insulation tester, how to test, how to use insulation tester. In the next video, the continuation of this one is changing the compressor, recovery unit for using recovery unit, and recover the refrigerant of this unit, purging nitrogen during bracing, and then charging as well. We show you how to charge, and then rectifying the high pressure alarm and cleaning the condenser. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates.